This holiday season, we teamed up with Loyal Moses and Polymaker to spread some 3D printing cheer by giving away over 500 spools of filament to our incredible local community. I'm Dan Barousse, CEO and co-founder of Slice Engineering. And I just want to say how incredible it was to see so many makers come together here in our space. The energy was exciting, and partnering with Loyal Moses and Polymaker to give back to the community that inspires us every day was truly special. The free Filament Drive wasn't just about giving away filament, of course, it was about building connections. Makers of all ages and experience levels joined us to celebrate creativity, innovation, and the excitement and power of 3D printing. At Slice, giving back to the maker community is something we're passionate about. Hearing how this filament is fueling new projects and ideas reminds us why we love to do what we do every day. A huge thank you to Polymaker for providing the filament that made this whole event possible, and a big shout out to Loyal Moses for partnering with us and reaching out to make it happen here in Florida. We're proud to be part of such a supportive community. Events like this are a reminder of what makes this space so special, and we can't wait for the next opportunity to give back. From all of us at Slice Engineering, Loyal Moses, and Polymaker, thank you for being part of this amazing event. Here's to a season full of innovation and creativity. Happy holidays. And of course, don't forget to stay zesty.